Hey there, welcome back to the channel, the place where we talk openly and honestly about many health-related issues and the natural approach to solve them. Now, in today's video, we're diving into a surprisingly simple, and kind of fun, way to understand what makes a strong, lasting erection. It involves water balloons, a garden hose, and 3 key fixes that can help you perform at your best when it matters most. Trust me, once you hear this analogy, you'll never forget it. What if I told you, the secret to stronger, longer-lasting erections is hiding in your backyard, inside a water balloon? Sounds crazy? Stick with me for the next 5 minutes, and you'll never look at your bedroom performance the same way again. Imagine your penis is like a long tube, packed full of tiny water balloons. When the mood strikes, your body's job is simple: fill those balloons with plenty of water. In real life, that tube is your penis. The water is your blood. And those balloons? Tiny chambers inside your penis that store blood during arousal. But here's the problem: for millions of men, those balloons don't fill like they should. And it all comes down to 3 major issues. First, weak water supply. Imagine your hose barely trickling instead of gushing. No matter how perfect your balloons are, without enough water, they'll stay flat. In real terms, poor blood flow. The fix? L-citrulline and L-arginine, amino acids that help your body make more nitric oxide, opening up your blood vessels for a strong, healthy flow. Second, weak balloons. Let's say the water's coming in strong, but your balloons can't handle the pressure. They weaken or collapse before they fill up. In your body, that's when erectile tissue struggles to stay firm. Enter horny goatweed, a natural herb that's been shown to support tissue strength and function during arousal. Third, damaged or dormant balloons. Some balloons might be scarred, stiff, or just asleep. Even with perfect water flow, they simply don't respond. This can be improved with pycnogenol, an antioxidant-rich extract from pine bark that supports microcirculation and helps those stubborn chambers wake up and join the party. When you fix these 3 issues, water supply, balloon strength, and dormant chambers, you give your body the best shot at stronger, firmer, and more reliable erections. I've put together a free guide with the science, ideal dosages, and safety tips for each of these natural solutions. Click the link below, download it now, and start your journey to stronger, more confident performance. Because the next time the moment strikes, you'll want every single balloon in that tube working for you. Unlock the water balloon method. Download the free